Hello everyone, this is your Week 8 MyStatsLab Problem 2 example. And in our problem, a survey of 250 CEOs finds that 106 of them think that the economy will improve next year. Is there evidence that the rate is higher among all CEOs than the 33% reported by the public at large? Part A of our problem asks us to find the standard deviation of the sample proportion based on the null hypothesis. So for that we need the proportion of the hypothesized proportion there. So we're going to go up here and find 33%, 0.33. So Q will be equal to 1 minus PO. And then N is our sample size, our survey size here of 250. Now, as our formula shows us here, to find the standard deviation, we need the square root of PO times QO divided by N. So in our box here, we can start our formula equals, start typing square root. There it is. And inside we're going to add an extra set of parentheses here so that we get our top numbers multiplied. So PO times QO. Let's close our parentheses there, divided by N. Finish closing, hit enter, and there we have it. So the standard deviation is 0.030. Part B asks us to find the Z statistic. And in our formula here, we see that we need P hat minus PO divided by the standard deviation of P hat, which we just calculated. So all we need now is P hat. Well, we used 33% for our PO, or our hypothesized proportion. Now we're going to use what the survey showed us, which is 106 out of 250. So in our box here we can say equals 106 divided by N. Hit enter there, and there is our P hat, 0.424. Now we can go here, put in this formula, and calculate our Z statistic. So here it asks us to take P hat, which we just calculated, minus PO here. Let's close our parentheses, divided by the standard deviation, which we just calculated earlier. Hit enter, and there we have it. There's your Z-stat. So not much to this problem, was it? Excel did it all for us. And now we're ready to move on. So there you have it. There's Week 8 MyStatsLab Problem 2 example. See you next time.